Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Suci Indasari and student identification number E10 31 23 10 54. Government Science Study Program, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Tanjung Pura University. Here, I will discuss an international journal entitled An Analytical Study on the Intervention of the Legislature to the Constitutional Court in Indonesia compared to developed countries. Let's go start to further explanation. The analytical study conducted by Muhammad Arif Agus and Andi Muhammad Irfan Alamsyah in the Indonesian Law Review Volume 12, number 3 into the interpretation of the legislature in the Constitutional Court of Indonesia compared to developed countries. The study employs a normative legal research method, analyzing from legal norms to secondary data obtained from document studies and literature, sharpened with a comparative approach. The research highlights the strict protection of judicial independence in Indonesia concerning the relationship between the legislative body and the constitutional court. It emphasizes that some form of legislative intervention are legal in Indonesia, showcasing a contrast with the practices in developed nations. The study underscores the significance of safeguarding the independence of constitutional court from undue legislative influence. By comparing the intervention dynamic in Indonesia with this in advanced countries, the study provides valuable insight into the impact of legislative involvement on the judiciary. It underscores the critical role of maintaining judicial independence to uphold the rule of law and ensure the effective functioning the constitutional court. The finding of this study broader implications for legal system worldwide, emphasizing the need to balance legislative oversight with judicial autonomy to uphold the principle of justice and democracy. The document discusses the relationship between the legislature, DPR, and the Constitutional Court in Indonesia and compares it to practices in developed countries. It highlights the importance of judicial independence and the principle of checks and between state institutions. The key points are: 1. The DPR has the authority to propose 3 out of the 9 constitutional court judges, whereas concurs about potential legislative interference. However, the selection process is meant to be objective and accountable. 2. The DPR also has the power to draft laws regulating the constitutional court, which could impact its independence. The Constitution provides some open legal policy areas for the DPR and President in this regard. 3. Comparative analysis shows that developed countries also involve their legislature in aspects like appointing judges, but like strict safeguards to protect judicial independence. Factors like the appointment process, dismissal procedure, and tenure of judges are important in the context. 4. The document concludes that while there are legal avenues for legislative intervention in Indonesia, the key is to ensure that the principle of checks and balance judicial independence are upheld in practice. That's all my explanation about international journal, and thank you. See you later.